Same with the heart, and I am back to share photo cards. So every year I spend $40 to $60 buying cards from, Walgreens, Snapfish, wherever. And I mean, they're cute, but they have their limitations. One of which they don't stand up. You have to lean them on something. Of course, they're not as cute and personalized. And the thing that they do is save time. So that's why I always get them. This year I decided that I was just going to kind of narrow down my list of how many I was going to make and who I was going to send a photo card to. Other people, maybe I would just send, a regular Christmas card, because I do make a lot of Christmas cards. So that's what I thought I would do. And so let me show you guys what I use for this project. And I'm going to show you two different cards. So let's see. So what I'm going to do is show you for the second card, which I'm not going to demo, which I'm just going to show you at the end. I used this square die from CC Designs. I think for all my cards, I used this Pink Fresh Studio Snowflakes die. I used the small die. I got this in my holiday virtual workshop I did. And then stickers. So I used stickers that I had from the sticker sheet with this matching collection. It is Echo Park, and I can't remember the name of the collection. I think it's right here. It's Echo Park Letters to Santa. So I have the sticker sheet from the 12 by 12 collection. I did use that. I used the 6 by 6 Letters to Santa paper pad, which I killed pretty much. I don't know if you have any sheets left. But when I ran out of stickers, I then used this snowflake crepe paper puffy stickers because they're small. Let's see. I decorated some envelopes with this envelope sentiment stamp set from Simon Says Stamp that I've had for a million years. I use this pretty pink Posh, this die right here. I use the Winter Big Scripty Words. I just use the die, which I love. I use the Be Merry. And I also started using this double-sided adhesive, which I highly recommend. Lawn Fawn makes one. They all do. Sizzix, I have a bunch from Sizzix that I just never used. I thought I was going to, and now it's like my new favorite thing. So it's double-sided, and basically it's like a sticker sheet, but double-sided. You take one side off, and you put your cardstock or your paper that you want cut with your die. Then you lay your die on it, run it through, and now the other side is then sticky. So it's really great for intricate dies that are really hard to put glue on. So I am in love with that. I did not use that. So we'll start off with this. So these are some of the envelopes that I made. And well, actually they're just regular envelopes. And I also put a little bit of paper on the back here. Trying to think where my other envelopes. These are the envelopes I actually made for my 5 by 5 cards, or 5.5 by 5.5 cards, which I'm going to show you at the end. But this is the ones that I made, very simple. And then I did use on the back some of the leftover paper from that paper collection. That's how I used up the entire thing, including the scraps. But this is just a pre-made envelope that I then just attached this to, and I did a little bit of stamping. So that's ready to go. So this is the card that I made. It's very simple. So this is the sticker from the sticker sheet. This is the snowflake. I had to cut it out of a glittery paper. And then inside it is stamped and heat embossed in gold with this New Year's stamps that I got from the Not Too Shabby shop. This was in the November subscription box. I cannot find my stamp. It's somewhere in my room because I'm in the middle of like so many holiday projects. And it's in the nitty gritty. I got to get these cards mailed. So Have a Sparkling New Year is what I put on the inside. So this is Be Merry and then Have a Sparkling New Year. And it just, I gold embossed it. It's just fabulous. So let me find the one that annoyed me. So I always do like a prototype. And then I decided that's the one I'm going to make. And you can see I made quite a few of them. And so Is it already at the bottom? Geez. So there is one that the prototype, and I'll show it to you if I can find it, that I did not, oh, there it is, near the end. So the first one I made was this one right here, and I didn't like how it had this edge. So I made it a little bit different so that it was like a cleaner on the inside. So I just liked it that way. So to make this card, if you want to make something like it, I went ahead and I stamped and heat embossed the inside already. So this card measures 5.5 by 4 3/4, and then it's scored at 4 1/4. That gives you this little ledge right here. Okay, so we got that ledge. And then what I have here is I have my paper, which is 5.5 by 4 1/4, and I went ahead and I put my picture. Now my picture is a 4 by 4 picture, so that's kind of why things are a little bit wonky on it, but I am okay with it. It does not bother me at all. That's just slightly, you know, kind of wonky. So what I'm going to do is I am going to attach, this is going to get attached like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your score tape, which is right here. You're going to put your score tape on the bottom here like this. Take it off. Sorry, my computer is gone. Jumping around. So I'm going to go ahead and take it like that, and then I'm just going to make sure it's all straight, and then I'm going to fold this down. So now it's like that. And then what I'm going to do now is I am going to, see now it's like this. I am going to go ahead and put this, let's see, how did I do this? Let's see what I did. I put this down first, sorry. I went ahead and I put this down first, but you could put the acetate, which maybe I'll go ahead and put the acetate down first. I think that's what I did. It's been a couple of days since I did this, but I actually need to mail these, so they've got to get met. So then we go ahead and we put some more score tape down, and now we put our acetate, and we want to make sure that our acetate is, you know, on there straight. And now this piece is then going to go on top. So that's what I did. So now we're going to go ahead and put another piece of score tape down. I just find score tape to be, you know, much easier to use over acetate. So now there's that. And then this piece right here is just going to go and frame right around like this. And so I already put the score tape because this is 1/8 of an inch. I've been using 1/4 inch, and then around here it is 1/8 of an inch score tape. Oh, one more. So just go ahead and center it on the bottom and on the top. And then we go ahead and just put this down. And then you can do any sort of, so you can see it has this on the back. So now it's made into like a sticker, which just makes it really easy to stick it on there. I'm going to put it right here. And now we have, I think I did this one too. Did I do this one as well? I did this one as well. I put it on the sticker paper. And just stick this in the corner. And then I did put a little gold gem. So I'll do that later. I'm not going to do that right now. And then I went ahead and I just put a sticker right here. And I think I will do this snowman. And put a little snowman right here. And whew. So there is my cute little photo card. It's all ready to go. And now here's the other ones. Now the reason why I really like the size of this one, because it matches the 4x4 picture. So it's 4x4 picture, and the card is, let's see, it's 4x4, 4.5. I think it's 5x5, I think is what it is. But these are going to cost different to mail, and that's just annoying. So I am hand delivering these ones. These are ones that are going to my parents and my sister and my brother's family. So, because they just live locally and I see them almost every day. So it's just stamped to have a sparkling new year. And then here is this one right here. And this one I just did gold. And then I cut this out of that die, so it actually has the stitching around it, so it's really good. And then I just did a couple puffy stickers, and that. This one's got a couple of little snowflake puffy stickers. And then this one has a couple stars. And so I just think they're really fun and cute. And so that's what I'm doing for my photo cards. Thank you for watching. This is Sandy Cray at the Heart.